Right, so first you guys go to new, film and video. Right, I just choose this one, but this one is too large, right? I just require 720 only. 720. This one it's a pixel. Resolution just correct 72. Same like the previous. 72, 70, 72 RGB. Okay. Yeah, I think some data is short one. Show it here. Okay, that is setting. Okay, so supposed to be have a preview, but doesn't have this the preview. 2019, I don't know the new one got update or not. So this is the template before. Let's share first. Okay, this is the brief. So this is the first assignment. Just try naming the thing ID01. Wait, not good. Okay, now first you need to take do a photo shoot first any kind of subject. For example, this one I will prepare the subject. I playing a figure. This one. For example, this one I want to do this figure spinning. This one, right? Want to do this one spin, and the result maybe look something like that. With the cropped image, and I put some background color. Okay, that's what you want to do. So first, okay, this from the brief. This one is the name. This one first thing to set as first. Put a proper naming file. I look for my test sample. Okay. And see which one is the starting point, this one is the ending point. Okay, for example, I want to start from this one. First, I just write this one. Yeah. Why the picture missing? What happened? Okay. Let's put here. Okay, now we need some guide to know where the center. So to know center, just duplicate this thing. Transform. I know which one the middle. This one is the center. Alright. So I try to put this thing line into center, so easy for the next image. They keep tracking in the same position. Okay, this one is here because got this rounded thing, so I just follow this rounded thing. Okay, so that's the first frame. This one I crop this event to look more different. So this one I just use a lazy crop, select subject. This one easy. Your Photoshop all CC not CSIC CC easy You can select like that, become like this. And I'm masking this one, so I will increase this one. So I select the second frame, second mesh. So that's why I put the guide that one, so I can track screen mesh. So this one I just lower the opacity so I can see where I want to put the image for the second one. So here. Grab the second one. So this one save your time but this one not very great, sometimes to touch up with. This one because got so many cut, so I disable snap to cut, so can crop this thing so I do not snap to cut. So okay, I think the last one. This is the last one. Oh, the last one and the first one similar pose, so I don't need see. Yeah, let's go back to this one. Finish. So for just decoration, so because it's background, put some color. Different color. Okay, so now we finish. I need to rename everything. This PD, frame number 1, frame number 2, frame number 3. All the frame to have number, so easy to know which one. 6. So total got 6 frame. Okay, first. Okay. Now this is just a design interface. Now you want to change workspace into the motion space. So motion space has to define this one for motion design. Right. So go here. This is got to our video timeline, frame animation. Now we just want to do the frame animation. Click the frame animation. So we got the frame timeline over here. So this is the first frame. We'll turn on the number 1. This one is set forever. Okay. You plus frame. So this is second frame. You visible the second frame only. Third frame maybe third frame, and so on and so on. So total got 6. You can see the movement. Okay, so you can play this one. You look the speed. This one too fast, right? So make it confusing at how many seconds each frame. So I do 0.5. Little slow, what? Too slow. So yeah, I do around. I customize myself 0.0. 0.3. Okay, this when render is different. This is a pre-render, so we don't know how much the speed. I guess 0.3. Forgot how much I did before. Check the previous one first. 0.9. Oh, okay, 0.2 take wrong. 0.2. Okay, when done. First, now we need to export to the media. So this one, go to save for web, export, export, and then save for web. You select as a GIF. See, if below that 190, that means the frame okay, it's not too heavy to play. So GIF. This one, this what exactly when render. So maybe this one too slow, so I speed up here, 0.1. Fast. Okay. Right, and then save. Go to okay, default is not open. So this is what happened to the default. Okay. Okay, same like previous the packaging, you need to create a slide, right? Same thing. Okay, this one the file for like this file presentation that we go through later. So this is the result. I have few version. The other one, I don't know how easier. This one first. Okay. That's how we do. This is the result. Okay, that's if you want to do the, if you really want to sketch different.